Hey everyone, welcome to SAEs with Tech, the channel where smart tech solves real life problems. Today, we're not just reviewing a camera, we're showing you how the GoPro HERO13 Black Bundle can help you stop missing your best moments and start capturing life the way it deserves to be remembered. You're hiking, biking, or just playing with your kids, and your phone captures blurry, shaky, or overexposed footage. You want those memories, but your gear holds you back. The GoPro HERO13 Black shoots in 5.3K Ultra HD and uses HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, so even the bumpiest adventure comes out smooth, crisp, and ready to share. You'll never miss the magic again, and your memories will look better than you imagined. Buying separate cameras, tripods, mounts, and storage adds up fast, and let's face it, tech overwhelm is real. This bundle includes everything: GoPro Hero 13 Black, two 128GB SD cards, and a 50-piece accessory kit that covers chest mounts, head straps, tripods, floating grips, you name it. You'll save hundreds of dollars, skip the confusion, and have a complete pro setup right out of the box. Maybe you've tried going live or using a webcam and the video looks grainy, the mic picks up wind, or the whole thing just crashes. The GoPro Hero 13 features built-in live streaming in 1080p, webcam mode, and voice control so you can focus on creating, not fixing glitches. Whether you're a teacher, a streamer, or a fitness coach, you'll go live with professional quality video without hiring a team. There's nothing worse than capturing that perfect shot and boom, storage full. This bundle comes with two 128GB cards, giving you plenty of room for long trips, multi-day vlogs, or spontaneous adventures. Film confidently, no interruptions, no compromises. Complicated menus and confusing setups can make you quit before you start. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is intuitive, voice-controlled, and ready to go in minutes. Mount it, tap record, and you're set. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll feel like a pro in no time. Let's put it all together. The GoPro Hero 13 Black Bundle gives you 5.3K video so your memories look like movies, 27MP photos for stunning snapshots, voice control so you can stay hands-free, live streaming and webcam use for content creators 2 times, 128GB cards plus 50 accessories so you're ready for any situation. Waterproof, rugged design to go anywhere you go all in one. Zero stress, endless possibilities. This bundle isn't just about tech, it's about saving your time, upgrading your memories, and giving you the tools to finally create the life you want to share. So if you're tired of shaky shots, missing moments, or holding back on content creation, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Bundle is your no excuse solution. Say ease with tech, where tech meets your life.